Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this new video we are going to cover some of the most common problems with Fairlight, setting up a Fairlight or some random or audio in general of Resolve. Okay, so these are the questions listed below. Here you can, I guess it's here. Okay, you can click on that arrow thing, it will be written into, you can click on that, and on the right side or in the bottom, okay, if you are on desktop, you might get your question, whatever it is. But if you didn't find your question, then do leave it down in the comment below and watch the full video. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. So the first question is, audio is not coming. Let me tell you why your audio might not be coming. First, where you need to go to check what's going on. Okay, first go to DaVinci Resolve, preferences, okay, video and audio IO. Many don't know about this. Okay, in Windows this has been changed, so this will be like, okay, system audio will be your default. Okay, input device and output device, make sure they are your speakers or whatever your interface you have. Okay, so this one is wrong. I don't have voice meter currently running in the background, I can't hear anything from there. Okay, so select your proper device. Okay, even in input, okay, you can even choose use system settings, that is the best one. Okay, whatever you change over here, right, in the Windows, here these are your defaults. If you change to this will become default, so you can set it to your default also. But what I recommend is having one separate headphone, okay, or your gaming headphone or your professional Sennheiser headphones or anything like that. Okay, so you can do with that, but I am gonna choose this one, okay, currently, and I'm gonna choose this mic. Okay, make sure you have this. Before going to the answer of the first question, let's go to the second question. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, I can't record audio from my thing. Okay, as I told you again, preferences, check here, input device, what is it there? Okay, check it first. Okay, check here. Okay, then check and click on save. Many don't save. Okay, if it prompts relaunch Resolve, what you need to do, come to input. Okay, on your track. Okay, click on input. Okay, this is my mic, this is the track input, select patch, and that's the power of reverb. You can hear yourself while you're recording. Okay, like here you can just put on your headphones and you can hear hear yourself. Okay, and then click on first here record or here anywhere, and this one. So welcome to this video, and I am recording in Fairlight's Resolve, and we are rocking the tutorial. Let's begin. Now can you listen? First answer, Fairlight's Resolve, and we are rocking the tutorial. Let's begin. Okay, stop. First and second question is done. Okay, let's begin to third question. Okay, no output, but I can see levels in volume mixer. Same thing, video and audio IO. Okay, or else, see, first you always need to check over here, video and audio IO. Okay, it's same or not. Okay, we'll talk about other things later. Okay, first you check over here. Okay, then okay, automatic speaker configuration, that might mess you little things up. Okay, so what mainly it's set to stereo. If you are having a 5.1 system, just forget it. Okay, you can do it, you have to do it or like manually. Okay, sometimes what happens, the for example, I'll select one more speaker system, okay, which is Realtek audio. Okay, what happens, you're getting 8 outputs. Okay, you're getting 8, let me tell you, 8. Okay, so this is 7.1 configuration. Okay, but you have a stereo headphone connected. Okay, so by default it will come unassigned. Okay, if you don't getting audio, if you are not getting audio, like audio levels are coming over here. Let me show you what are audio levels. Okay, audio levels are coming over here. Okay, but you are not getting anything over here. Let me show you the real scenario. Okay, not microphone, sorry. Okay, whatever. Speakers, this one to be Realtek, yeah. So let me show you how it will be. Okay, unassigned, save. Okay, this is how it will be. Okay, I have turned on my speaker now on my OBS. Okay, this is how it will be. You cannot hear anything. See, it's blank. The only way I can prove you that it's not coming is it's see, it's unmuted, playing, not coming back. Okay, check preferences, left. Okay, right. Okay, checked. Okay, then this video, and now it's coming. See, Fairlight's Resolve, and yeah, so this is one of the thing. Okay, which many people might forget it. Okay, like you need to check automatic speaker configuration will do it, but sometimes it won't. Okay, with our internal sound card. Okay, make note that point. Okay, next question. Frequency of 96K not matching from the interface to PC. Our frequency is set to 4800. Always I recommend, okay, set your audio interface as well as, okay, audio interface as well as resolve at 48 kilohertz. Okay, not more, not less, because see, YouTube also accepts 4800 kilohertz. Okay, okay, whatever it is, 48 kilohertz. When you're creating new project only it can be changed. So make sure you have set it to both the same, or else you'll just get noised output. Okay, next one. I can't play other applications audio while I am working with Resolve. ASIO problem, Windows. Okay, let me say you what is the real problem here. So I have selected ASIO. ASIO. Okay, so if you are having any interface, then this is the king. Okay, like interface or anything with ASIO support, then this is the interface. Okay, but I'm gonna choose Realtek Audio UDN. Okay, I'll just turn off this one. Okay, I hope the same configuration is there. Okay, so when I play back over here, I can hear, but when I try to go to YouTube, okay, let's assume, okay, I'm not able to hear any audio here. Why is that an issue? Okay, I'll try one more video. Okay, I'll try one more video. Okay, audio is not coming still. How do you know that? Desktop audio is 0, nothing input is coming, it's not muted. Okay, solution for that, have 2 pair of headphones. No, I won't recommend that. When you are doing your work, you should not focus on other things. Okay, I successfully ignored that point also. Okay, let's come back over here. Okay, so what you need to do is change your device frequency, okay, to somewhat something else, like 441 kilohertz. Okay, you change it to that and let Resolve run at 48, so that there will be no overlapping of things. Okay, I hope you got it, but most probably times it will come audio rendering error in the Chrome tabs or anything, if you might see. So that time just simply go here, preferences, and then system audio, say restart, open your project. Okay, open your project like that. Okay, it's loading. Oh yeah, and then configure your input output system, like whatever the default one. Okay, I don't know why it's going to default, I'm pissed off. Okay, let it be this one, unassigned. When you change it, it will come to unassigned. Okay, then click on save. We'll have the audio with YouTube. Okay, I'm just gonna refresh this.
Created for
yeah, now you are getting
one.
audio.
I'll show you the procedure.
How you know that?
And all back.
Okay. Okay, now the next level. The next question. How can I get my desktop audio recorded into Resolve and arranged in timeline? In this one, I'm not going to explain that. In the next video, which is upcoming, I'll be explaining in that. Okay. Bus routing. What the fuck is that? Even is that? Okay. Why do I even need it in first hand? Making it red. You know why I'm making it red. Okay. Track duplication issue. Okay, let me explain you what was the problem over here. This is coming into Fairlight page now. Okay, coming into Fairlight page. Load it. Okay, so this is one thing, like when you add a stereo track, right? If you click Control C, Control V, it doesn't work. Only it works for the clip. Okay, and moreover, there are no option called as duplication of tracks. Okay, not that point. Only you can add a tracks. Okay, I don't know why was this question picked also. Okay, like like multiple tracks. If you want to add, okay, I got it. Like this was asked, how can I add multiple tracks? I don't know who reframed that. Okay, so how to add multiple tracks? So here you can go click on right click, add tracks, and add how much ever you want. Okay, you can go up to 1000 also. But I'm gonna do only two, maybe two stereo. Yeah, okay, let me do two stereo, add tracks, boom, boom. That's how you do it. Okay, that is simply peaceful. Okay, so the answer is the question is answered. Actually this one is multiple tracks. Okay, how to multiple tracks. Okay, how to add, not duplication. Okay, how can I send clip to bus without a need of track? Clip to bus. Okay, like you meant from this one without creating here directly to bus. Can you drag it? No, of course not. But I'm not sure, but you can add it to the track. Okay, you can add it to one track and just send it. Okay, so like that, but I'm not really sure how to send it, and I don't know how your time code will be also set if you are doing that and where you are placing it. So I'm not sure about that, but actually your question meant was how do I add something to the bus, like yeah, so how do I add something to the bus, or how to create bus. Again, it's in red. Okay, coming soon. Okay, I'm revealing the spoilers. Okay, so next one, how to get multiple microphones in Resolve, more than two. Okay, you know, right, what it denotes, you know. Okay, okay, setting up ADR, audio with ASIO problem. Okay, so when you have multiple ASIO inputs, okay, let's see over here. Okay, I'm going to preferences. Okay, and device config. I have turned on everything on my system. Okay, and I go in input and output. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? What is this? Which mic is this? So multiple ASIO, this is one of the problem. Okay, not like entirely ADR or anything like that. Even here also ADR. Okay, when you go to setup, okay, when you click audio one, record source, there are so many record sources. Okay, there are many record sources. What you have enabled, what you have not enabled, what are the ASIOs, everything is there. How to identify this? Check one by one, and I know only that solution. Yeah, I don't know how, like, Resolve Blackmagic Design will handle, like, I don't know how they're doing this one, but I would suggest them to at least give the name after the device, like for example, so I have what happens here means if you click on record source over here, there are n number of sources. You don't know what is input, what is output. Okay, you don't know what is input, what is output. Whereas FL Studio ASIO simple, it has only one input, one output. Okay, only outputs, no inputs currently. So In ASIO, I don't know if it's ASIO or Blackmagic Design or Resolve in general. Okay, I don't know what's happening over here. Like, no, for example, take this audio. Okay, mic. Hmm? So this is USB PNP device. Okay, what is the normal naming? At least it should show what is input, what is output, or this name, or at least input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4, like that. At least, which I am not seeing here. But if you are having any interfaces, right? If you are having any interfaces, then that time it will show like 1 2 3 4 5 6. For example, I have voice meter over here. It has okay, like that. I don't know if there might be very alternatives to this one also, but if you get any alternatives, I guess probably Pro Tools people or Neunda people will be knowing. So, or Steinberg people, okay, who all work with that. So if you get anything, please put it down in the comments. Well appreciated. Okay. So this was the main issue with the ADR thing. Like, you don't know how to like, we cannot define whether it is an I or O or input and output, like that. Okay, so this is marked as yellow. Okay, because I have no solution for it. Okay, before that, one more thing is there. When I click play, okay, the playhead doesn't move. The playhead doesn't move, and the answer is again complex. Okay, again complex. Okay, so let me say in simple ways, I and O in Windows side don't go to ASIO. Okay, or else what would have happened means, same my case. Okay, I have selected multiple in and out. I don't know what is enabled, what is disabled. Okay, so always select whatever you are only using. Okay, not anything else. Okay, so if you see this like blue thing, okay, that and all are enabled, so disable it. Okay, okay, and restart. I'm using only one headphone and two. Okay, one headphone, one mic. Okay, two speakers. Okay, so that's why I'm going with this one. Okay, click on save, restart, come back again. Okay, mainly you should check in and out everything for this. Okay, I have split it into question because you can get it easily, like what is your problem, like that. Okay, I didn't cover one question in general, which I'll be going to explain now. Okay, after. Okay, now see, the when I click over here input, okay, input, I get only two things. Okay, you can patch it over here. That is what simplicity is. Okay, like if I patch it over here, and then when I click on record, oh shit. Okay, let's assume to be this track. Okay, this track. Okay, I cannot hear again. I cannot hear. What is the problem? Okay, so these are some of the main issues. Like, you don't know what and when, what, like like how it's happening. Okay, see, this one is enabled, how, don't know. This one is enabled, how, don't know. The main thing is don't know over here. Okay, so that's why if you have an ASIO interface, then go with ASIO or simply change over to system audio. Conclusion of that answer. Okay, okay, just select that and you will get to whatever the normal it is there. Okay, that is simple. Okay, you can get it. Okay, next one is, this is also yellowed. Okay, so this is also yellowed because there is no solution with that with me. Okay, so what is this automatic IO dispatch? Okay, so when you are going to patch over here, for example, okay, input. Okay, when you are gonna do this one. Okay, when you are patching it, sometimes what happens, this is mainly usually a case with immersive audio. Okay, what happens? Bus 1 left track, how, even I have not got to know. I have tried it many times, okay, but I need to patch it again if I change it something like that. Like I don't know what's happening on the side, but it's like, see, first it's patched like this automatically, okay, everything is patched except left channel, okay, which gets me annoyed, okay, annoyed so much that I exit resolve that time, okay. I don't know why it's happening. Automatic, like, I'll just show you, not with immersive audio, but like an example, okay. So I have Dolby Atmos send over here, okay. So I have bus out, so these two channels I am connecting. Example, okay. I don't want to give wrong examples, okay. I don't want to give wrong examples. So let me just create an buses over here, okay. I'll create, add tracks, okay. 712 below first track. I'll create 2 bits, okay, 2 bits, and then, okay, so here it is, okay. And then I will go to Fairlight bus format, okay, the normal Atmos thing. I'm skipping it. What really happens is, let me show you. So I'll go to again patch input and output. It happens like this, directly or indirectly, I don't know. So this is bus out, okay, Dolby Atmos send. Only this L will get unpatched. I'm unpatching here, okay, just to show you how it will look, okay. So this will get automatically unpatched or dispatched. I don't know why it's happening like that, but it's something a serious issue for me. I like when you are doing an exciting project, okay, you have your preset done and everything, but you are not getting that audio. You just throw your something and go off. Like sometimes it happens, okay. And one more thing, if Resolve is planning to do something like IO here, like wherever you can patch it like that, the for Atmos thing, great thumbs up from me, okay, because if they do it, then that's the best thing, okay. That's a yellow. And one more time code starting incorrectly, not 0000. You might have noticed in my video here also, it's starting from 01002620, okay. Mainly this is when you are starting, okay, in the starting you need to check, right click, timelines, starting time code, okay. If it's you have to, like, this is just the thing, that's all, okay. Here you can get the normal timeline like 00, you can start it from timeline, okay. Timelines, starting time code, that's all, okay. That you need to do, okay. That's done. Loudness and LFKS, what are those? What you said? Okay. Plugins failed to load. How to load? Okay. I'll explain you in a simple thing, but again, this is a red. Okay. Red means new video. Okay. To hover. Okay. So plugins fail to load. Okay. Preferences. Audio plugins. I know, might know many people. Okay. I have so many plugins over here. Okay. But some are showing fail to load. Some are disabled. Why? Why? Fail to load. Why? Why is it not loading? It's VST2, right? It should load, right? Actually, some of the plugins don't load in the result. As I told, not all plugins are compatible with Resolve, okay? Especially instrumental things. I have tried some of the instrumental things, but it didn't load, or something might have happened on plugin side, okay? You need to check either the both of it, okay? As you know, VST3 is still incoming, okay? Still incoming, like in near future, I can say that, okay? Because I had contacted them, and not AAX, okay? Definitely not AAX, okay? So fail to load disabled. Okay, why is it showing disabled? Why? Can I enable it? You can enable it. Okay, you can enable it, but again it will show fail to load. Okay, or else you can disable it also, like you can, like there you can, like that you might have got to know. Okay, so it's like that. Fail to load, it's a plugin issue or somewhat issue. Okay, next up question. Okay, can I put effects on clip level, not on tracks? Of course you can. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, I have this dialog. Okay, I'm going to Fairlight. I'm sticking to Fairlight. Okay, I'm going here. Click on inspector. Okay, pull up the effects tab. Okay, I'm just gonna put, what shall I put? I don't know. I don't know what is this. I'm just dragging on the clip. Okay, putting it over here. Okay, so I am putting it over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna change somewhat. Okay, only you can hear it on this clip. I'm not able to hear the audio. Fruit again. Normal things in Resolve. Always check. Okay, King the tutorial. Let's begin. Fairlight's Resolve. Yeah, so you can add. Okay, like this. Where you can edit that one, effects, your plugin, everything you can automate over. Oh, automation. Yeah, it's not here. It's not here. I wish it could be here. Okay, like manually with the numbers you can do that, but it's not here. Feels so sad. Okay, for me also. Okay, you can just click on that and you will get the. Okay, simple. Okay, next. My mixer is missing or panner is missing. Okay, I guess this is two different questions. I'll tell you. So one is mixer is missing. Oh bro, I'm not getting the, what are you saying? The what, where to pan? Click here. Okay, click here first. Check if it's on or not. Okay. Next, panner is not visible. Okay, let me tell you what is that. It's a issues with laptops. Okay, older laptops which doesn't has much graphics processing power. Okay, yeah, Resolve is an GPU powered thing, even in Fairlight too. Okay, even in Fairlight, for the interface at least. Okay, so when you click on this, only a green color solid is being shown and nothing else, nothing like Chrome or anything, bro. I cannot see what's happening there, bro. I get asked like these questions. That is due to because of low processing power of your GPU. So uh, you know what to do. Okay, okay, then that is done. How can I create a preset of my project or EQ or dynamics? I have told you guys before, I guess, in my previous videos, but I'll say it again. Fairlight, and here we can go to where is preset library. Okay, if you have an EQ preset assigned over here, I'll just go to Fairlight configuration preset. So Fairlight configuration preset means whatever you have, like channel count, bus count, aux count, everything same to same, metadata, everything linked, whatever you have done now. Okay, it will save it. You can go here, save new. Okay, okay, save new, add a name. Okay, I'm just typing like that. Don't type like that. Have a thing, like if it's Dolby Atmos, then DLB, ATMS. You have a naming sequence of your own. Okay, so you can do like that, and even global bus, global tracks. Okay, I want these tracks. Okay, so you can create global track presets. So like whatever you're doing on the tracks you can have, even the plugins, whatever you are applying over in the particular track or the bus, you can have it. Even dynamics, whatever track which has the dynamics, you can just select and click on new. Even the EQ, okay, it can be done from here. And if you are opening a new project, you can click on again the same Fairlight preset library and click on apply. That's all. That's simple. Like I'll go here, click here, apply. Okay, peace. Next, my this one I have done it. Okay, immersive audio I can't find and I am not able to deliver. Okay, this one actually in 17.3. This was asked by my friend, so he's in 17.3. I'm not able to locate from your previous videos where it is. Like in previous videos, I had showed it somewhere in settings, Fairlight. It was here before, okay, but now it is moved in preferences, and here you can find it. Okay, take note that point. Okay, I have confused many people. From see, I have not confused, but 17 update is a unique update, okay, rather than 16. So I had done it in 16. 17 there is UI changes, of course, so that's why. Okay, can I export a clip with effects inside of Fairlight? Of course, boys, of course. Here, right click, export audio files. Can you see? So I guess you can see here, right click, export audio files. Okay, here you can name whatever, you can tag and everything. Okay, individual clip, consolidated, like that. Okay, select the range or selected clips. You can do selected clips over here, and then like that you can just print it out, export whatever clip level effects is there, only will come. The inspector one, clip level effects only. Okay, not the track selected one. Okay, then you can click on export, it will come off. Normalization, if you don't want anything, you can just click like that. Okay, like that, multi-mono. Okay, so that is done. Next question. So these are all from Reddit. Okay, so these are all from Reddit except this one, last one, 33rd. I will cover it next. That is also an LO thing. Okay, let me explain that one first itself. So ability to sidechain other than using compressor. Okay, so what is that? So if you go into dynamics, okay, there is an option called as side chaining. Okay, like over here, where is it? Okay, yeah, side chaining. It will create something like a new thing. Okay, but what it was told, right? So how can I side chain from a track? Okay, like something like, see, if I have a plugin, okay, I have added Valhalla, okay, over here. I'm not sure about the like this one, but I have added some plugin. Okay, let's assume it to be a reverb plugin. Okay, I want to side chain from that. Okay, I want to side chain directly from the plugin, not from the track. Okay, something like that. Even either EQ also, I need a side chain for EQ, something like that. So that one was told to me. So yeah, side chain, that one. And these are all the Reddit things, so I'll be covering it in next or something. But let me tell you the common thing over here: codecs. Okay, MKV, MP4, MP4 or MP3, MP4, yeah, MP4. So these are having issues. Even MP3 also, they cannot import MP3. So mainly these are due to codecs. Okay, so MKV is just recently it has come into Resolve, so they are still building upon it. Okay, so it will take some in near future it will be stable. Okay, I can say it like that. MP4, I'm not sure about which one, but for OBS recorders, I'm telling for the gamers who are streaming and then coming into Resolve. So these are mainly related to them. Okay, so I will tell record it in MOV format. That is one of the best format for Resolve. Okay, so record it in MOV and put it into Resolve. Like the next video will be on that only itself. though that is a basic one, basic beginner for Resolve, from OBS to Resolve. Okay, so how to bring it and all. Okay, so yeah, that was the thing. Okay, and mainly that problem is with codecs. Okay, like MP4 not importing and something and all, it's there. So so MKV you can successfully ignore that. Okay, currently, but MP4 and MOV is fully stable as I believe, except you have encryption or read only mode on. Okay, that will change the whole matter of it. Okay, if you have read mode only on. Okay, and one more was there. What was that? MP3. Yeah, MP3 files are not coming. That one I heard, and yeah, so some of the files are not compatible. What I would suggest you to do is either convert it using Handbrake or not Handbrake. Okay, you can use Handbrake, or you can use Audacity and come over here, or else directly record it into Resolve, or else do an any like interface thing from that. That would be much better. Okay, so almost many questions were solved. Okay, some of them I am creating a new video because that is hard to explain in just some minutes. These are some of the problems which everyone are facing right now, like automatic dispatch IO and setting up ADR, like the ASIO one. Okay, I don't know, ASIO for all. I'll put it like this, ASIO for all. Okay, and then ability to sidechain other than using compressor. Okay, is this your problem? If it's not, then comment down below. Okay, so I hope you found something, okay, from these videos, from these clips, or particularly my channel. Okay, so then if you have liked it, okay, if you have not liked it, then like it. If you have liked it, then hit on that subscribe button and click the, what is that called, bell icon. Okay, never forget to do that, because whenever I will upload a new video, you will be informed. And you know, I'm little bit irregular these days because of my studies, and yeah, I'll be coming up soon with some new things. Okay, I was not on outro page. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys, meet you soon. I don't know when, but yeah, next video, hint. Okay, I've given in the video OBS plus Resolve. Okay, stay tuned.
Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have the patience, I'ma shoot right now. Yeah, we undefeated and you gon' lose right now. Like click, 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 swish. I can switch it up anytime like this. I'm a videographer and I'm on the verse, so when I shoot my shot, I don't miss. Gon' take the shot.